Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and today we have a makeup tutorial. I'm testing out so many Indian brands, basically new upcoming Indian makeup brands, okay, that needs your attention, and most of them are women-owned brand. And that itself requires our support. So I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time because I've got a lot of cosmetics sitting in front of me that belongs to our Indian market, and the quality, I have to say, is top notch. So in this video, I've tested out new eyeshadow palette, new foundation, new blush, new contour, new lipsticks, the whole 9 yards, okay? And if you are interested to see how I achieve this look, let's keep on watching. All right, let's start off with Earth Rhythm. It's a woman-owned brand. The owner is Harini. And this lip mask, I think I've spoken this time and again that the lip butter and lip mask from the Earth Rhythm, they're absolutely incredible. I love them so much that being in the UK, I have placed my order for them again. It's got that gloss-like sheen, non-sticky, and it just hydrates the lips beautifully. Wonderful travel-friendly packaging. Love it. Now we are going to move on to the next Indian brand. I've got a primer as well as an oil. This is from Disguise Cosmetics. Now Disguise Cosmetics, another beautiful Indian brand. Every time whenever I try them out, they remind me so much of so many international makeup brands because the quality is top notch. It's cruelty free, it's vegan. From what I know about Disguise Cosmetics, it's got 3 scientists, 2 women, 1 man. So partial women owned brand. The women involved is Desiree and Shivangi, okay? And it's so nice to see women businesses come up so well and do so well. So I love this Rainbow Glow oil, you guys. This is something that you can apply in the morning as well as at night. My makeup sits beautifully. So if you have dry skin, normal combination, including that like a borderline oily skin, you definitely can enjoy this. If you have extremely oily skin, probably this won't work for you, or sensitive skin. This definitely has a little bit of fragrance. It's got avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba, argan, apricot, pomegranate extract, and marula oil. For me, I apply this a lot in the morning, especially when I'm planning to do a heavy base makeup. It just sits really wonderfully. For anyone that plans to include this in your skincare, definitely will recommend this oil if fragrance is not an issue for you. So I'm just going to gently massage my face because I need a little bit of hydration. I have already applied all my actives. I have applied my sunscreen and then this oil. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit for about a minute or two. Now that the facial oil is settled, I'm going to apply a primer. I've got 2 primers right now. One is the Bolly Glow Bolly Primetime CC Primer. Absolutely love it. It's got an SPF of 15. Now I don't want to apply this as of yet because though it's a made in India brand, this beauty of a brand has disappeared, has gone off radar since November 2020. Nobody knows what is happening. Right now I'm going to go with another Indian brand, and this is Belora Paris, and this is vegan and cruelty free. From what I've understood, it's a women-owned brand. 2 Indian women, Ainara, who used to head the marketing communication of Myntra, and Akal, who was with the financial firm. But their research and development is done in Europe because they follow, the European guidelines where ingredients are concerned. So that's why they call themselves like a partial Indian brand. It's made with natural hydrating ingredients, extracts of grapeseed and green tea provided, unique antioxidant action, enriched with vitamin B, C, and E, along with hyaluronic acid for ultra hydration. It's got that very clear consistency. And what I love about it is that it's got a very gel water-like consistency. It's not that silicone feel to it, okay? And it just, the makeup sits so well. So for anyone that has got oily skin, this is just incredible. It's got a nice floral fragrance to it, and I just like how lightweight it is. Alright, so I don't have a proper concealer from an Indian brand as of now, so I'm just going to go with my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is in the shade Natural Buff, okay? So I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of my eye, wherever I need to conceal. I'm going with the wiseshe Wise Blender Teardrop. Okay, this is a woman-owned brand as well. I love the sponges and I love their makeup brushes from this. Most of their brushes are not vegan, but I have to say that their quality is top-notch. I've got a lot of makeup brushes I'm going to use today. All the makeup tools are going to be women-owned ones. One is from wiseshe and the other one is from Cuffs and Lashes. Okay, so we will test them out. I have tested them out actually, but we shall just review them for you. Love the sponge, super soft, and for me this is better than the beauty blender. All right, so that is saying a lot. Absolutely love it. It comes small, but as soon as you dampen it, it just increases in size and it just doesn't absorb the makeup as much. So usually with my makeup sponge, I love to wet it with a setting spray. It just works very well for me. Now let's move on to the next one. I'm going to be using foundation from K Beauty. They had a good start, okay? When I reviewed them, they had a few good ones and a few bad ones. But lately, whatever that they've been launching, it's one hit after the other. But what I like about this foundation is how lightweight it is, and at the same time it is extremely hydrating. So I can definitely make this work, and you can build it up. It gives you a very nice sheer finish. For somebody who's got textured skin or who has got lots of acne scars, this is not going to give you the coverage. It's very light coverage. So if you've got acne scars, you might have to go a little more extra with this, but it just makes the skin look like skin. I love this foundation, not too overwhelming where fragrance is concerned. It's got some good ingredients that's supposed to be really hydrating apparently. Some mango butter and this and that, but all in all, the foundation is very good, and I like the fact that they have got a little more shade variety than many other foundation launches. So I want them to come out with a lot more because this is a celebrity line. It is owned by Katrina Kaif. It doesn't crack, you guys. It doesn't go ashy, nor does it oxidize, and sits very well. Even as time passes by, you know, you just have to touch up just a little bit around the mouth area because I have noticed that it, kind of like works through the creases. But you can just take a compact powder and work your magic through it, okay? Otherwise, it's really nice. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of a loose powder. I've got two powders with me right now, also belonging to K Beauty. This loose powder is incredible. For me, I like this better than the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, if that's what it's called. I love that. Don't get me wrong. It's my favorite. I'm talking about the banana powder from Huda Beauty. But for me, this is even better. It just sits very well. It is as finely milled as the Huda Beauty one. It comes with that little net, just like the Huda Beauty. And I don't know, it's just working very well. It kind of like minimizes my pores. And for somebody who's got textured skin, if they're saying that it's helping with the pores, that means it's doing something. It sets my makeup really well without making it look too powdery. It's a beautiful conditioning baking powder. Very slight dusting of it under my eye because we are going to go with the eye makeup right now. So if there's anything that falls down, this loose powder will help. I've got some brushes and I've got some eyeshadow palettes from an upcoming brand. I'm sure she's going to make a lot of news in the coming years, and that is Cuffs and Lashes. It belongs to Nidhi Katya. She's a fellow YouTuber. She's a content creator. She started Cuffs and Lashes a couple of years ago, and now Cuffs and Lashes, everyone is talking about them, and I couldn't be more proud. I've got their color pots. I've got so many palettes from Cuffs and Lashes. Their color pots are my absolute favorite, but I've got their eyeshadow palette. So this is the Enchanting eyeshadow palette, as you can see. So you're getting everything that is value for money. I have to say that there are some that are a little bit chalky, and there are some that requires a lot of blending. So let's just check out the ethereal palette and we can decide what we want to go for. Doesn't this kind of like remind you of the Morphe palette? What I'm going to go for is this favorite palette of mine from Cuffs and Lashes. This is the Shystyles palette. This is a collaboration she did with fellow YouTuber content creator Shystyles. What I like about it is that you get these color palette variety. You got to be very careful because it has a tendency of breaking down. So I like this palette. There are, like I said, few chalky ones, few that don't blend really well. But the green in this color green is what's calling out for me, and I want to try this one out. Okay, so let's go for that. So I need a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go for a Cuffs and Lashes CS06. Okay, it really breaks. That's the only problem with this. So I'm just going to work with these two colors first. This is going to be my overall eyelid color, and then I will deepen it with this green color. All right, and then we shall add this glitter, which I have worked with it before. So the shade that I'm trying out first is called Jade, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. It's got a little bit of shimmer to this. So on its own also, it is so pretty, you guys, and very, very pigmented, I have to say, and easy to blend too. Oh, beautiful. I mean, this olive green tinge, eyeshadow tinge, always complements Indian skin tone, all right? Olive skin tone, dark eyes. So I'm just going to blend that. The thing about this particular shade is that it's got its shimmer, but it's not too metallic. Now I want to take a clean blending brush, and this is the Cuffs and Lashes CS04. And I'm going to just blend the crease line so that it's all very seamless. I mean, I would just apply only this and kajal, smudge the kajal a little bit, a lot of mascara, and I would call it a day. Put that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna like close my eyes this way, and I just feel that it hits the lower lash line even better. So I'm going to go for this beautiful color called Sage. I don't know if you can see the color. I'm just going to deepen the outer corner. I'm going to take that fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to clean this out. All right, it's glitter time. I want to go for that very beautiful lime green with golden tinge kind of a glitter, pressed glitter. This is called Driftwood. Let's see if this packs in without the glitter glue. Oh yeah, it does. Beautifully done here, Nidhi. It just sticks. Oh my God, I feel as if I'm applying some Huda Beauty palette out here. I'm talking the glitter. It just sticks so well. I'm taking the PAC 310 brush. I'm noticing that when I'm applying the brush, with the brush, it's lifting off the color. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little mixing agent. This is Makeup by Mario. In his launch, he did this little mixing master metal manipulator. It's a little mixing agent. You can even take Inglot, you get the same mixing agent from Inglot. It's the same Duraline that you apply in any of your eyeshadow, in your gel eyeliner, and it just kind of like makes it more creamy and intense. Can you see it became even more intense with the mixing agent? When you move, it reflects from gold to green. And I'm just going to go with minty shade and pack it on the inner corner. But now let me just continue doing my eyebrows. To set this eyebrow, I'm going to go with the Fay Beauty. This is Free and Equal. It's an Indian brand. And this particular eyebrow gel, it's also a mascara. It's a 2-in-1. It is just so perfect for getting those feathery eyebrows, okay, that strokes. I think it's a woman-owned brand as well. So I'm just going to set my eyebrow with the brown one. Okay, so now what I really want to do is apply a kajal. So I'm going to go with my all-time favorite, my current favorite kajal pencil. This is Black Onyx from Disguise Cosmetics. What I'm going to do is I'm first going to draw on my upper lash line. Oh, Disguise Cosmetics is such a beautiful brand. So from the outer section to the midsection, that's where I apply my kajal. I don't go all the way to the inner corner because this just makes your eyes look a lot more almond shaped. This is wiseshe number 01. Look at that stubby brush. And I'm just going to go in with that Sage eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this and smudge that kajal out. Okay, mascara time. This is the Shampoo Infinite Lash Lengthening Mascara and the Fay Beauty one. So I'm just going to apply, it's a combination of two because I like the combination basically, and I don't want any artificial lashes today. I'm just going to take that powder off and dust all that glitter away. I'm going to take this shade from the Enchanting eyeshadow palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and I'm just going to slightly bronze my face. I'm taking the Cuffs and Lashes CS10. Let's blend everything together so that it all looks nice and seamless. Okay guys, time for some blush, and I've got two. I've got the K Beauty blush as well, but I also got Kiro Glow On Blush Duo Rosehip Oil. It has got calendula oil. It gives this natural glow, easy blend, silk smooth finish, lightwear. I think this is a woman-owned brand as well. And you know what? A lot of people need to be talking about Kiro Cosmetics because I have used them and their quality is just excellent. It reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek and Duo, that pop and glow, whatever that she has. I have it actually with me. Little bit of the cinnamon shade, And I'm just going to apply that on the outer corner like that. And this peachy number, I'm just going to take a little bit of that and right here, right in the middle of your eye. So just keep your brush like this. I want to apply it here and go all the way on top. Alright guys, in general, I don't apply my highlighter, but you know what? Let's just go a little extra today. Let's be naughty. So my favorite highlighter comes from this Indian brand, women-owned brand called RM Beauty. This is for someone who doesn't like, that over-the-top highlighter. If you want something that is really subtle and very beautiful, glow-wise, RM Beauty it is. And what I love about it is that it's an ethical brand where mica is concerned, okay? And that is something that you guys really need to pay attention to when you're buying your highlighter. And I'm going to take this particular champagne gold called Golden Hour, which is perfect for my skin tone. They've got 3 shades, one for fair, one for medium, and one for the deeper complexion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm it up on the back of my hand. I'm going to take a little bit of it and I'm just going to apply that on the high points of my cheek. The beauty of this highlighter is when the sun hits it, that's when this highlighter pops, but not in the over the top way, but in a very subtle luminous way. This is the K Beauty Hype Lip Liner, one of my favorite. I absolutely adore this one. And let's go on with a nude lip. I've got Disguise, I've got Belora as well as K Beauty. Yeah, this seems to be a beautiful nude shade. This is 20 Hazelnut. Look at that shade. Slightly I can feel a drying tinge on the inner corner. So I've got 2 nude from Disguise Cosmetics. This one is 04. This is 04 and this is in the shades 30 Pretty Nude. Okay, so I think I'll go for the Pretty Nude. Let me just check this one out from Disguise because I love the Disguise Cosmetics. Alright, that ends the makeup. Just let me put a little bit of a setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's come out pretty well. I love the eye makeup. I think the foundation has warmed up pretty much okay. The lipstick combination is just something that's going to be my go-to. Right now, the Belora lipstick definitely feels a lot more comfortable. I don't know. I think it's so good that this is all Indian makeup and most of them are women-owned brands. Oh my god. So if you're looking out for some really good Indian makeup to support, some really good Indian makeup to buy, then maybe these are the brands that you could just, pay attention to. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I didn't go for a winged eyeliner because I feel this is just enough. I've got more makeup to play around with. Let me know if you'd like to see more reviews of such. And if you like watching me play with makeup, then let me know in the feedback section. Let a sister know, alright? And I shall see you in my next. And until later, bye for now.